Mark, man, and I just want to log in to my back office to show you guys some of this payment proof of how I made, money with this opportunity. $25 one up, man, it's an amazing system. It allows you to earn 100% commissions of the profit of when you generate a sale. Now, what are we actually selling is digital products online. As you can see right here, the products are the gold products, the platinum products, the diamond products, the enterprise, and the elite. All of them is one-time fees. The gold level is a one-time fee of 25. The platinum is a one-time fee of 100. The diamond level is a one-time fee of 250. The enterprise is a one-time fee of 500. And the elite level is a one-time fee of 1,000. So let me come over here. As you see, I got 20 signups today. It's an amazing system on Autopilot. Let me come over here to my business and show you the commissions that I have been generating. Today just started for me, and as you can see, $200 today, $25 yesterday. I wasn't. Yesterday was Sunday, so I don't really try to do too much on a Sunday, but this is, the payment proof of what actually is going on with this opportunity. Payments just come in, are coming in, guys, 100% of the commissions. So what do I actually do? I take, let me move this over here. I take these pre-written ads right here. It comes with the system. And what I actually do, like this is what you get, all the training and everything. I take the pre-written ads and I put it on my social media and it generates me income. So if you could copy and paste, you can make money. If you could copy and paste ads that it already made for you, put them on your social media, you can make money with this company. And it's just one of those things where it's not hard to do. It's not nothing, where you have to do hard coding, you have to build a website. None of that, guys. So guess what? Over here, all of the websites are done for you. It's done for you, guys. All of it is done for you. You don't have to build a website. You don't really have to do much but drive the traffic to these websites that are done for you over here. So I take these pre-written ads, post them on my social media, and they generate me income. That's it. Because we are selling the digital products. These are the products. You got the gold. Like I said, these are the products over here on the side. And, a lot of people, they want to make extra income from home, but never knew where to go. Or you're on the right video and your name pop up right here every time you make a commission. It's one big team. So you're going to see people down here at the bottom pop up. Right, look at that. It's a one big team. It's a global. You don't have to just do this locally or to your family and friends. You can do this global. Um, it's that simple. It's not nothing hard. Once again, it's just copying and pasting, and we're making money off of it. So, if you don't know what to do, like I said, pre-written ads. Say you don't know what to say. Let's go to the pre-written ads. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the pre-written ads. What this does is come down, got trigger words and phrases for the ads that works. It tells you what days and what time and what to say. You got over 100 ads that you could literally copy, paste. You could edit them, add words, take out words. It's totally up to you. It's totally up to you. You got stuff when people write you in how to respond to people asking for more info. If somebody created an account, what to say. It's email swipes, guys. It's a lot of stuff that comes inside of this business. And another thing is you got the PowerPoint that you could use to break it down to people who want to know more info. You can set up a online meeting or a phone call, go over the PowerPoint with them, and it's a sign up. A lot of people want to just talk to someone. They want to, basically feel like it's a real opportunity. It's not a scam, and not putting their money into everything into something that's they can't make a profit off of. If you have a Facebook, you can come down here to the hot Facebook groups, And what they do is it gives you a lot of Facebook groups that you could join and actually make money off of. So with that being said, we come over here to these groups and you could literally just add these groups. You can add these groups. And when you add these groups, guys, what it would do is let you post in them. You take those copy and paste ads that I showed you, join these groups, and post in those Facebook groups, and you can make income. You can make income just by posting in Facebook groups. I personally do not use Facebook. I only use Instagram and YouTube and solo ads. I made a video on how to run solo ads to this opportunity in one of my videos in my channel. You can go check it out. You also have another 100 free sites to post these copy and paste ads on. So everything you need is really here. All you have to do is take action. All you have to do is take action, guys. It's something where it's self-explanatory. So the gold level, you earn 100% commissions off of $25. The platinum, you earn 100% commissions off of 100. The diamond, 100% commission off of 250. Enterprise, one-time fee of 500. I mean, you earn 100% commissions off of 500. And the enterprise, you earn 100% commissions off of. I said enterprise. I'm sorry, guys. The elite, you earn $1,000 for each commission. And once again, the system, this is the system. We're inside the system. It does the selling, the telling, and everything for you. So once you send someone to this, your funnel pages that are already made for you, you have multiple websites that are made for you. You don't have to build one website. What you want to do is send them to your capture pages. It gets their name, phone number, and email. And guess what? It sends them to a presentation video already. A presentation video. You don't have to make one. You don't have to do anything. Drive traffic to these websites. Just come over here, copy your websites. Once somebody asks for more information, you send them to your website. They sign up, you get paid. Okay? It's that simple. And you have so many websites that are made for you. If you want to switch it up, you don't want to use, it's just totally up to you. And you also you can come down to your sponsor, which will be me. If you need to reach out, you can send me a text. You can send me an email. It's really, you have so much support to the point where you're not really actually doing anything but collecting the commission. And that's basically it. So if you want to start generating income with this system, guys, all you have to do is take action. Take action, guys. That's it. And once again, you can start generating daily referrals. You come once you create your account, you can see your dashboard, everything up here that you need to see. So, with that being said, guys, go ahead, take action, join today. It's digital products. You can sell it over and over. You can earn unlimited commissions off of one product. A physical product, let's say you're selling this water bottle, guys. You can't split this water bottle between two people. You can only sell it to one person. And then guess what? You're going to have to go buy more water bottles to sell out. But this digital product, you don't have to refill it. You don't have to fulfill anything. All you have to do is, promote it and sell it to somebody. And you can earn unlimited commissions off of one product. That's the best thing about digital product, guys. Digital products, you can sell it unlimited. You don't have to refilling up anything, guys. It's a one-time fee. No monthly fees whatsoever. So go ahead, guys. Take action. Come in at the gold and the platinum level. If you don't have enough money to come in at the platinum level, join with the gold and work your way up. But I will see you guys on the inside. Once you join, shoot me an email because I have to send you some additional training. And if you come in at the platinum level, I have some bonuses for you that you will like, that will help you make those big $100 commissions every single day. So if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, Click that bell so y'all be the first to know when I drop a video on making more money. Other than that, I am out.